Tokyo is the consummate modern metropolis, a land of staggering skyscrapers, dizzying neon signage, and the world's busiest transport hubs. In many ways though, it's still the Edo, the former feudal capital, with its Buddhist temples, kabuki stages, and sumo tournaments. Tokyo doesn't erase the old so much as pile on the new. It's constantly evolving, mutating, reconsidering its past and rushing headlong into the future. This synergy between tradition and ingenuity is what makes Tokyo the city it is today. Today, Tokyo offers a seemingly unlimited choice of shopping, entertainment, culture, and dining to its visitors. The city's history can be appreciated in districts such as Asakusa and in many excellent museums, historic temples, and gardens. Contrary to common perception, Tokyo also offers a number of attractive green spaces in the city center and within relatively short train rides at its outskirts.